Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Here at Chef Dawg, just a quick review. We do Costco reviews of foods that we love there, or maybe we don't, who knows. And then at the end, we also will taste it and let you know what our thoughts are of that exact meal. So this is one of Chef Dawg's favorites. I've had this several times. We just went on a big camping trip, had it there. It's one of a bunch of my buddies' favorites, so I just thought we'd share it with you. So what it is, this is already half eaten. We've eaten it. I didn't do a review with my buddies, so I thought I'd do one for you. It's the chicken salad made with rotisserie chicken. Now you guys know how they have the rotisserie chicken there at Costco. Well, this is the breast meat from that made into a salad. So here, I'll pop this off for you. And it's, just so you know, $15, a little over 15 bucks for this. And the amount you get is 3 pounds. So that's what it looks like. Half of it, at least, because we've eaten it. But there you go, that's rotisserie chicken mixed with, I don't know what other spices they put in there, but I can see the celery, and it's probably mayonnaise, pepper, salt. So there you go. Smells so good and tastes even better. Love it. So this is what we do with this on camping trips. It's a great lunch meal. Is we buy these croissants also at Costco, and I get those for about 6 bucks. And you get 12 of them. You get 12 of them, and they're the butter croissants. This is what you do. Get the croissants. Not that you don't know what to do, but they just make it so good. Take the croissant. I don't need to show you how to make a sandwich, but put it on there. Look how good. Look at those chunks. That's just Costco right there, man. Everything they make, they just give it their all. They don't skimp on anything, big chunks. And then another thing I like to do, but I put a little bit of salt or lettuce on it. That's just me, I like crunchy stuff. My wife hates crunchy stuff. I love crunchy stuff. Okay, so that's what I do. Put a little lettuce on there, fold that bad boy up. I've eaten it, so my review, it's seriously, you know, I'm kind of like this stuff I really like. This one, I'm like this. It's in the 9 range for sure. I got to leave a 10 for something that just blows my mind away. But for a lunch, it's super quick, super delicious, super good for you. We usually have this when we're hiking and hunting and stuff like that, so lots of protein. But I want to have my wife give a quick taste test and see what she thinks, because I know you guys enjoy that. So, hun, come on over here and have a bite. Super good. Now, I know you don't like lettuce.
I don't like anything that's in there.
Yeah, it looks gross.
Anything green?
Looks gross.
Anything green in there, take it out.
Well, you like celery.
I know, that's why I get a can of their chicken and mix it with mayonnaise, and that's it. Like,
okay, have a bite.
I'm not gonna eat that.
Have a bite of that right there.
No.
Well, there's the meat right there.
It has green stuff in it.
That's a celery.
I don't like celery.
We put celery in your food.
In
like
soup,
in your soups.
In soup, because it cooks the flavor out.
Well, then why do you put it in your soup if it cooks the flavor out?
It's good for you.
You like that? That's blue bone chicken with mayonnaise and stuff?
I know, I can taste the onions.
You like onions. I put onions in soup and food all the time.
Only because it cooks it out and they're not crunchy. I don't like crunchy.
So it's the crunch, it's not the taste.
No, it's the texture.
It's the texture.
The taste.
So you actually like the taste, it's just the crunch you don't like. Yes?
In a sandwich, there should be nothing crunchy.
See, and I think the exact opposite. I love
nothing crunchy.
I put potato chips in mine.
No,
Yeah.
not even potato chips.
See, some people put potato chips just to get the crunch. Now you love lettuce. Here, hold it.
You like lettuce.
Yeah.
Try it.
I've never liked that. So at weddings, I never eat that.
Oh, and I love it.
No.
What do you think? Really?
But you like lettuce.
Are you serious? Oh, now look at that.
Brother.
Wow. Brecklin didn't like it at all.
I only like the Olive Garden salad they do.
Okay, she loves Olive Garden. How do you feel about just the chicken?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't eat. I just eat a can, mix it with mayonnaise.
A can of what?
Their can of chicken. Costco has their can of chicken.
So she'll get a can of chicken instead of the rotisserie chicken.
Mush it up.
Mush it up. Mush is the right word. And then what?
You like it.
And
You
then
like
what?
that kind of chicken and mix
She's
it
still rinsing her mouth out.
Mix it with
Well, hey.
mayo.
You can see here at Chef Dawgs,
sandwich.
we don't all think alike, clearly. I got food shooting on my mouth. I love it. All my buddies love it. Anybody that has taste buds loves it. I'm going to eat the rest of this now, and then I'm going to enjoy it, I guess, by myself and my son. So, thanks for watching, Chef Dawg. You know, like this, I give it a real, if you like things with flavor, you'll probably like this. If you don't, then you'll be like my daughter and my wife, I guess.
Rude!
There you go. Hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Hopefully you subscribe and share. Send this to everybody that you know. But again, those of you that have subscribed, thanks so much. It means a lot to this little channel of ours. It really does. Thanks. Have a good one.